let's move on to a universal principle of design that can really help you in creating that polished professional look to your slides. I'm referring to the rule of thirds. If you divide your slide into 6 grids and use the available PowerPoints that come from that grid, you can actually create an image that is more appealing and interesting and pleasing to the eye. Let me show you what I mean. This image applies the rule of thirds. Let's overlay a 3 by 3 grid onto this image. By doing so, you can see that the image is now broken up into areas. The 4 areas that intersect represent the image's power points. By placing the image in the image's power points, which is, you can see, asymmetrical from the center of the image, I'm actually creating something that is more interesting and aesthetically appealing. Here's another example. Now notice that this railroad crossing isn't actually exactly on the PowerPoint, but it's close to the intersection. And the other important element completely fills one of those new grids. Now, there's nothing wrong with this image, but if I apply the rule of thirds and reverse the image, I get something that's much more impacting. Take a look. See? I've now placed my element along my grid line. The image is more visually appealing, and I'm using the white space in a more impacting way. Now, in this medium, it's slightly difficult to show you these 2 tools, and Apple does such a great job of doing it for me. Check out these 2 tutorials on apple.com. The first one is on masking or cropping images directly inside of Keynote. And the second is on using the Alpha tool. The Alpha tool is essentially the magic wand of Photoshop, except directly inside of Keynote. And it can help you create that seamless look. As always, images are courtesy of Flickr.